What is going on, lads? Welcome back to another video. Now today's predominantly going to be changing my air vent. As you can see, it's like all broken, it's come off the runners, so I have got a replacement just here. So I've got a new one there, but what I'm also going to do is throw in some clips from Modified Nationals. We met up with B7 and Lockers at Mod Natz. We just had a really good time in general, so there's probably going to be some clips of those boys in there and just having a bit of a laugh in general. So I'm going to throw some of those clips in the video, and since the last video I have actually installed a induction kit, ram air and a Symposer delete. I'll throw in a few clips from that as well. Essentially, I started filming and then I realised how much of a pig of a job it is and gave up pretty quick. I ended up tearing my hands to shreds, so I ended that pretty quickly, and just ended up doing it with a few friends. So not much has changed other than that. Like I said, I've been to Mod Natz. That was a really good laugh. What we're going to do is just install one of these today. So go ahead and install that first, and then I'll show you the induction kit and throw in a few clips from Mod Natz over the weekend. So I've watched a few clips on YouTube, and there's 3 clips on these. They don't just pop out like the old Fiesta ones. You could literally just dig your screwdriver in there and pop it out. On these, you have got slightly different designs. So you can see the 2 clips here. Basically what you've got to do is put the screwdriver through the vent, something like this, and then somehow get it on the top of there and push that down, so it folds in like that, whilst doing that one, and this middle one here like that. So it does look to be a little bit complicated, but we'll give it a go either way. See if we can get it done. So I've got 3 screwdrivers, all relatively the same length, so hopefully I can use all 3 at the same time. But what we're going to do is just give it a go. So that one, I'm pretty sure is in the middle there somewhere. That looks about right, looking at the other one. And then these ones are somewhere up here as well. Fucking bastard to do. Oh, there goes me fucking camera. Classic. Anyway, boys, as you can see, this looks like a fucking disaster. So I'm going to give this a go first. I'll come back to you in a second whilst I'll just put the camera down because it's getting in the way. So just bear with me. Right, there we go, lads, with a bit of Asian persuasion on that bad boy. We managed to squeeze it out. Now it's really easy to get in, supposedly. The guy on the video literally just put it like that and then hammered it in, so let's give it a go. There you go. Got my hazards on. But that one's, all the runners are working fine. And that is in. Lovely old job. So there's the old one. I'll probably just keep that as a spare. To be fair, I could probably put it on the runners, but that was like £3, so I bought that instead. Just saves me a bit of time. So what I'll do now is I'll just open up the hood, as they say in America, and we'll have a look at the induction kit that I installed and show you guys that. It does look pretty sick actually, but like I said, it was just such a pain in the arse to fit. I just essentially gave up filming, sorry. So I'll come around to the hood. I always seem to pop this up and forget to shut it, so I always end up driving along with the car looking like that, and it just looks dreadful. But let's crack it open now. Try and do this one-handed. Yes, boys, there we have it. So we've got the ram air in, all installed, and we've got the blue Symposer delete as well. So the engine bay's looking all right now. I am going to do an engine bay clean shortly and try and polish up all that metal bit there, but that is the Symposer, sorry, there, and the induction kit installed there. Just thought I'd show you guys, just to keep you in the loop of what we've done to the Focus. What I'll do now is I'll throw in some clips of me attempting to, remember to do that, me attempting to install the Symposer, and then I'll throw in some clips from Mod Natz, and then we'll end the video here. So I'll sign out from the video here because it will literally just be some clips from Mod Natz, just a few funny clips from the weekend, and like I said, just a clip from installing that. So if you have enjoyed this video, it's been a real short one of me actually doing something to the car. Make sure to go ahead and drop a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Right, lads, the Focus is full. We're ready for Mod Natz. It's the morning of Mod Natz now. going to be meeting up the boys shortly, but the Focus is nice and clean. It's all loaded up. Let's get this day started. The weather's lovely, so it's going to be a treat. Alright, hello mate, you alright?
Nice, thank you.
What are you saying, Harry?
Pressed a bit there. Oh, look at Natz. And then it's fine. Bro, what is up? That's Modified Central. Subscribe to Modified Central if you.
Oh yeah.
Seems like he said, "No, I can't. I'm gonna have to come with you guys again." Low mileage. Low mileage. Never touched. Never modded. Never touched. Oh, yeah, boy. Jake, you alright, mate? You alright, bro? We're getting the polo on the back. Oh no. So we can actually see. Go on, Adam! I expect it. Love it! Jake, what's the saying?